In today's industries, structural integrity is vital. Hidden flaws in steel, composites, polymers, or welds can cause failures, delays, and safety hazards. That's why ultrasonic immersion testing remains one of the most reliable NDT methods for detecting internal flaws, with high sensitivity and repeatability. Introducing the FLAW HUNTER S 9603, a high-precision 3D immersion ultrasonic scanner engineered for advanced inspection of industrial components. Designed to operate in full immersion conditions, it ensures consistent coupling and flawless signal transmission. Equipped with real-time A, B, C scan, and full 3D imaging, this ultrasonic immersion scanner delivers comprehensive visualization of internal structures. Advanced offline analysis tools allow operators to review, compare, and interpret inspection data in detail. With automated reporting and defect mapping, it turns raw data into actionable insights. Equipped with programmable motion on X, Y, and Z axes, this scanner performs complete surface coverage with micron-level accuracy. Its waterproof probes, 2 to 20 MHz, detect delaminations, inclusions, HIC-related cracks, and near-surface flaws, even in thick or curved parts. From aerospace to oil and gas and beyond, when precision and adaptability are essential, the 3D immersion ultrasonic scanner delivers. Custom built to your inspection needs, this ultrasonic immersion scanner supports multi-channel testing for higher speed, accuracy, and full traceability, all tailored to your production line. Pejvak Rayan designs and delivers custom ultrasonic testing systems with cutting-edge technology, outstanding quality, and competitive pricing, built to meet the demands of modern industry.